In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Apollo.io account, and we're going to get it done in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This might seem like a simple step, but it's essential to ensure you're on a secure connection to protect your personal information. Now, once your browser is up and running, navigate to the search bar and type in Apollo.io. This will lead you to the official homepage of Apollo, which is where we need to be to initiate the process of account deletion. After you've reached the Apollo.io website, the next step is to log into your account. You can do this either by entering your email and password or through single sign-on, if that's your preferred method. Enter your credentials and get to your account's main page. Now that you're logged in, we're going to move our attention to the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Here, you should see a menu labeled Admin Settings. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to Plan Overview. This section of the site will give you the necessary options related to your subscription and account settings. In the Plan Overview window, look for an option that says Cancel Subscription. Clicking on this will start the cancellation process. It's crucial to understand that by doing this, you're beginning the steps to delete your account. If you're on a paid subscription, ensure there are no remaining commitments or fees before proceeding. Also, remember, this action can't be undone, so make sure you really want to go through with it. However, it's important to note that if you're using Apollo.io on a free plan, the cancel subscription option may not be visible. Don't worry, there's a straightforward workaround to this situation. If you find yourself in this scenario, what you need to do is reach out directly to Apollo's support team. You can easily get in touch with them by sending an email to their designated privacy support address, requesting assistance in deleting your account. A polite yet clear email stating your intention will usually get you the help you need. So there you have it. A simple and effective method to delete your Apollo.io account, whether you're on a free or paid plan. If you followed all the steps closely, your account should soon be on its way to deletion. As always, make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from Apollo.io, which may contain further instructions or confirmations regarding the cancellation process. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide both helpful and straightforward. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, take care.